Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to change a Toyota RAV4 headlight bulb. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a new headlight bulb, typically a Sylvania 9012, and a pair of clean rubber gloves. Safety is paramount, so make sure your RAV4 is turned off, the engine is cool, and the car is on a flat, stable surface. Many recommend changing both headlight bulbs at once for even light output, and to avoid another bulb failing soon after. Now let's get to the bulb itself. Begin by opening your RAV4 hood. The release lever is usually found inside the driver's side door. Once the hood is up and secured, locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the release tab on this connector and pull it away to disconnect it. If you're changing a low beam, you'll also need to twist the weather sealing cap counterclockwise to remove it. With the connector and cap removed, it's time to take out the old bulb. Twist the bulb counterclockwise, usually about 1/8 of a turn until you feel it release. Then, carefully pull it straight out. When handling your new bulb, always wear gloves and avoid touching the glass with your bare skin, as oils can shorten its life. Insert the new bulb, aligning its tabs, and twist it clockwise until it securely locks into the housing. Almost done. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. If you removed a weather sealing cap, reinstall it by aligning the tabs and twisting it clockwise until it's secure. Finally, close your RAV4 hood. Turn on your vehicle and test both the high and low beam headlights to confirm they are working properly. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.